Hey, what's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the upcoming Adidas Yeezy Boost 380 Blue OAT. Before we do that, just do us a quick favor, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll get right into the video. Before we get into the shoes, we just want to go over the basics. The official release date is July 25th, 2020, and the retail price is indeed set at $230. Now, the Blue OAT Yeezys were originally supposed to drop back in June, and they did in Europe and in Asia. Now, the reason why the US delayed their release was because in June there were just a few things going on. Obviously, there was a lot of the protests going on with the George Floyd death and, the Black Lives Matter movement. And Adidas itself was kind of going through some internal struggle as well. Some of their employees came forward to protest in front of the actual Adidas HQ in Portland, just to protest, inequality within, the corporate structure and whatnot. Adidas had a lot of things to worry about on their own, so they decided to push back a lot of their releases. For example, the Zion 350s were also supposed to drop back in June, but those got pushed back to July 18th in the US. Not to say everything is free and clear for Adidas right now. Obviously, Kanye West is busy with his Gap collaboration, but more importantly, Kanye is deciding to run for president. That's a conversation that we're not really willing to have because we honestly think it's a total joke. Anyone listening to this, please do not vote for Kanye West just because he's a celebrity. Vote for him if you truly believe his political views and align with what he wants for the United States in terms of the direction for the next 4 years. But again, we're not here to make any political commentary. We're just here to talk about the shoes, and that is indeed the Blue OAT Yeezy 380, which will drop on July 25th. So this is not exactly breaking news when we say that the 380 just hasn't hit as hard as the other models. Of course, the 350 V2 is still the most popular. It's the best seller. It's not going to stop anytime soon. The 500s and the 700s were really well liked. The Quantums were really well liked. The 700 V3 was pretty well liked, but the 380, I think, just really hasn't reached that echelon just yet, and a lot of it has to do with the colorways. And again, not a knock on the shoe, but the colorway selections have been a little odd. For example, this Blue OAT colorway, it's this mustard yellow with a brown and a gray, and then there's the blue on that mesh panel. It kind of looks like the ocean floor. For some reason that's what we're reminded of, because it's like the blue water and like the yellow sandy bottom. But the colorway options are very, very limited and very, very unusual, and it's not really going to go well with a pair of jeans. You have to kind of choose your pants wisely. Even wearing it with a pair of shorts might look weird, but we just kind of showed you right here quick with our camo pants, and it doesn't look too bad. But again, it's up to you how you want to style them. But again, this is clearly not like an everyday shoe like, I don't know, the 350 triple whites or something like that. But if you are a Yeezy fan, these are a pretty solid pickup. So in addition to the non-reflective version, which is shown here in this video, there is the alternate reflective version, which, if you know by now, is way more limited and typically resells for a lot more money because you can only buy them on Yeezy Supply and select retailers. But we're not sure when those drop, but typically they drop a day or two before the actual Y drop. So expect them in the week between July 19th and the 25th. And as you can see, these come in the standard cardboard Yeezy box with the 380 above, tissue paper as always, and all that. That's pretty much it. Again, the Yeezy 380 Blue Oats set to drop July 25th for $230. The reflective version is going to drop somewhere around that time as well. So let us know in the comments if these are a cop or a pass, or if you just don't like the 380s at all. To us, we're not the biggest fans of the shoe, but again, thank you Adidas for sending these over. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and we'll catch you in the next video.